Okay, so here we go. Getting ready to go out there into the wild, into this blizzard. My storm door is completely like covered with snow debris, and let's just do it. Let's see what happens. And why am I up so early to make this happen so soon, one may ask? Well, I got two little pooches up there. Actually, they're old guys, and they need to get out here to take care of their business. So yeah, that's why. Other than that, be fully aware I would either be making or eating breakfast or still in bed just chillaxing. Actually, I'll probably be reading some word of the day or something like that. So here we go. All right. So here's my door. You can't even look through it. It's got snow debris all along there. And let's see what happens when you try to open the door. Oh my God. Look at that. This is never, okay, this is unprecedented. This has never happened before. I got a I got a little overhang here. But the snow drifts in this thing is a beast. The snow drift in this thing is a beast. Oh my God, look at that. Go Ravens. You can see that on the back of my car. But look at that freaking snow drift. The snow drift in this thing. And we're supposed to get like what? It's supposed to be like still snowing like this like a whole nother 9 hours. Foolishness, right? Just complete winter foolishness. Something like that. So, hey, yeah. So I gotta snow this stuff out. You hear them barking upstairs. So I gotta deal with this foolishness. So, all right. So I'm gonna have y'all watch me do some work. I hear some voices out there. So I don't know what that's about, but let's see. I can wipe this off a little bit. To increase one's visibility. My work effort here. As long as I don't use my phone. Oh my God. This is, how deep is this? This is like deep. You know what I'm saying? This is deep out here, y'all. This ain't playing. This ain't playing. Daggone. Maybe 6 inches. That's like 6 inches. Okay, so got a little lesson there. Yeah, so so the Snowmageddon, or the, what was that? Snowzilla, whatever. Yo, that is 6 inches at my doorstep. And you know, we've had other snowstorms before, but it's never been 6 inches at my doorstep. Maybe down, from, down below, but not at my doorstep. Maybe at the back. But the snow drifts on this thing, because it's so cold and the snow is so dry, are going to be kind of incredible wherever you are. So if you're not used to doing this kind of work, yeah, like a lot of people are doing, you know, let your kids or let your nephews and whatnot, or the little neighborhood kids do it, because this right here ain't playing. Know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. I got to finish up and get my dogs out of here.